Hi, this is Matt with Hauling Inspections. Today we get the rare privilege. We're doing a house that was built back in 1880, so it's a little bit over 130 years old. With it though, they advertised that in 2000 they had the entire electrical system throughout the house upgraded and everything replaced. Well, this is just one of the many reasons you want to have your home inspected by a qualified inspector. Throughout the entire basement, about half the wiring we're finding down here is knob and tube, and it is all live. I want to show you some of it here real fast. So here right above me, you can see the knob and tube. You can tell it's live. And I'm finding that throughout the entire basement for the newly upgraded house. And yes, everything in the service panel was newer wiring. Once you get about 10 feet out from the panel, though, it all becomes knob and tube. Unfortunately, we see this way too often. If you have knob and tube, you definitely want to check with your insurance company because a lot of them will not let you insure a house with knob and tube wiring in it. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hauling Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. That way, stuff like this could be caught. Have a safe and wonderful day. Thank you.